Hi guys, I'm Nicolle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would show you my tippers, and this video is specifically for Stevie Moise's tippers because they are my favorite and they're the ones that I use the most. I do have other tippers from other makers, so if you would like I can do another video on them next time. So I'm going to show you the tippers that I have, and then I will play with them so that you can hear them, and I will do a close-up so that you can see the detail on them. And I have actually met Stevie a few times, and I've actually seen him make a tipper right in front of me, and it's really incredible. Like, he has so much precision and he puts so much detail, and you know, if he makes a little mistake he'll have to start all over again. It's really incredible to see it. If you ever have an opportunity to go to his workshop or to meet him and see him in action, I would suggest that you do that. It's really cool. So let's get started. So this one is the ME11. Now, I really like this one when I want to play more single-ended or top-ended style. The thing about it is that this was my first tipper that I got from him, and I don't use it as much anymore. Not because it's not a good tipper, but because my grip changed. So before I used to hold it, you know, like a pen. And then I changed to the grip that I use now. And the thing that I like, after using it for a while, it was like getting pains. And the thing is, because in my opinion it was too thin. So if you can see, if my hand's like that, and if I kind of go to my hold, you can start seeing how this muscle is working, right? So the more I have to press because of the thinness of the tipper, the more kind of sore this gets, and it has to work more. So you can kind of see, if that's relaxed, you can see that, yeah? So I would start, after playing maybe an hour or two, I would start getting cramps here, and I would start getting cramps here. So then what I did was I just moved to a thicker size tipper, and that just changed completely. I don't really have pain anymore. Anyway, the thing that I like about this tipper is that you have that end there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, that helps you it gives you more precision and it gives you more power when you're doing your beats. And then on the opposite side, you can see that it's thicker to it kind of comes thinner than at the end, but you can see there how it has it kind of comes out a little bit there at the end. That helps you when you're doing double-ended triplets. It's really cool. Now, what I love about his tippers is that they're very smooth. The only thing is that if you play them with for me, I think that some people don't like putting tape, but personally I need the tape just so that it won't slip out of my hands. So you could do this. This is just normal tape. And then what I've done is that I put this little thing, and the thing is that you put on your pens to help you with a grip, and I think you can find those in stationery shops and things like that, and you know, you can make it pretty and customize it. So yeah, this is the ME11. So this tipper is the HEDrod HR5 Bold, and you can see there it's like a star. It has six, does it have six? 7. It has 6 on the outside and 1 in the middle, yeah? And you can see that this one is a lot thicker than the one I showed you before. Now that, you can see the difference there. You know, it's not doing that anymore to my fingers. Look, Yeah. This one I really like it, because I don't usually, in hot rods, if you're not familiar with them, you can move the bands, the little bands here. So if you open them, if you go up, what's gonna happen is that when you hit it, it's gonna make a click sound. Yeah, because you have all these parts kind of coming together to click. This one, I never really open it, to be honest. Like this is as far as I would open it, because I kind of like that solid sound, and it's kind of, it makes it kind of deeper, in my opinion. And also, this is the one that I use when I play kind of with more traditional musicians, or if I'm really focused on doing tonal work, because I feel that because it's solid and it's like pretty much like one sound, then I can play more with my left hand. So I really like this. And you can see that the band here, I put it down as low as I could on this one. That's just my preference, but you can, you can do that. And I just feel that if you don't put that band down, then this one kind of touches the skin, and it kind of, I can feel the band kind of touching the skin, so I do that. Yeah. So this is the HEDrod HR2, and it's the same concept. So you have the bands and you can move them up and down, but this one has loads of them. Look at that. Yeah, and they're very smooth. And what I love about Stevie Moises is that he always makes sure that the ends of his tippers are really smooth, because sometimes if they're not sanded down properly, when you play it, it actually damages your skin, so I love that. It's like he really makes sure that he sands down everything, so I really like that. Now this one, opposite to the other one, I actually use it open, because I do like that click sound, but it's softer than the other click that I showed you. And this is the one that I would use for maybe hornpipes or slides, or just if it's the right sound or with the right instruments. This is something, if I want more click, this is something I would use. And I just want to show you, just so you can hear the different clicks. So this is no click. And completely open. Yeah. So this is the last tipper that I have at the moment, and this is the JazzMO. And the reason I got this one was because of the end, the wood end on this side. Because at the time, I really wanted to be encouraged to learn how to do the single-ended triplets. And I thought to myself that because I would always have something with like, you know, this is like a completely different sound from the other ones. The other ones also have two different sounds because of how tight it is on at the top. But this one really is, it's a different material, you know. So it actually worked. I was inspired to do my triplets and I used it, but now I actually come to love the sound of the wood in my triplets. I really like it. So this is the same concept. It's also a hot rod, and it's kind of like the other one. It has a lot of them, but it sounds quite different. So let me show you. This is kind of where I would usually play it. Yeah, and what I've done here is that, again, it's very smooth. So I've gotten just like drummer tape, that they're the ones that they put under sticks, and then I just kind of went around it, and that really helps. And the cool thing is that you can get, you know, you can customize it, personalize it, and just get something really cool tape. What else can I tell you? Oh, it has a really cool feature. I love this. I really like it. So yeah, this is the JazzMO.